Don't forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our videos.
Hello everyone. So this video is about a dedicated page for Carryminati's videos, and as you know already, his latest video is out, Yelgar, and it is a super hit. It got around 14 million views in just a few hours. That's awesome. So for that reason we have created a page which is going to show the latest video on the left side, something like YouTube, and have the playlist on the right side. So there were a few API calls which were dedicated to Carryminati page, and to get one video and then get the videos from the complete playlist. So I can show you the code. So this was the code of the YouTube project which we did 5 months ago. I just had to do some modifications to this code. So I had to just get the playlist videos, the complete videos from a particular playlist, and just show those videos instead of having a search button on the top. This is just dedicated to one particular channel, and which is Carryminati in this case. Okay, so if you don't know which video or which project is this, I'm going to give you the link to the repo in the description. So go ahead and check it out. So let's see what this does. Random button. What is this video? If I click on any of the video, what is going to happen? It's gonna start showing on the screen. So that's how YouTube works, right? Okay, so for the random video logic, it's super simple. We collect the complete list of the videos, and whichever video is on the screen, it won't be selected when we press the random video. Any video other than this particular video will be selected, and for that reason we have a random selector function. It has a while loop which tracks if the current video is equal to the newly selected or new random video. So that handles the logic of not selecting this particular one. And let me know in the comment, what do you think about the UI of this video? I have not created, or this is not a beautiful UI. I don't like this too much. This is just alright. I am quite busy with something other than this, because I haven't even posted videos on other projects, because till 8th of this month I'll be super busy. But you can check what you can do here is, if you want to do a project something like this, you should go ahead and check the YouTube replica, clone that project, and try to make it as your own dedicated channel. This one is for Carryminati. You can have your own. For example, I can do my EduRise channel. So EduRise, if I have this one, and I just have to do an API call to my particular channel. There is a YouTube package which is simple YouTube API. So with this package you can get your playlist, get your latest videos, and show it on the screen. So by that way, if you want to create your own website, have your content, you can do that. Also, if you don't want to see these, like these things are sometimes annoying for the users. So in order to make it more simple and more elegant, what you can do is you can use this package, which is a React Player package. React Player, yes, correct. And it has a controls outside. So you will have a video here, and you can have a play button, a pause button, something below. So that makes it more like much beautiful. So it makes the user interface, user experience better. So let me know what do you think about this particular project. Let me just have a random video. See, it is working, and you can check it in the repo as well. Check the description and let me know what do you think about this project. Do you like it? And what could be the advantages of having our own page? Let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, before I tell you that, we post a lot of content about project-based computer science videos. So right now we have React.js, which is super trending everywhere, all over the world. But we are going to come up with different projects, which could be with Flutter, React Native, and it could be any trending topics ahead. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We also have a YouTube page, Instagram page, and go ahead and subscribe, follow us on Instagram as well. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.